how to fix can't send friend request on Facebook problem. So what we'll simply do is we'll open our Facebook app here, and after opening our Facebook app we will simply click on our menu, which is on the bottom right corner. And after clicking on it, we will get to see a lot of option here. We'll scroll a bit and click on help and support here, and we'll simply click on help, report a problem, and we will scroll and click on continue to report. And after clicking on it, we'll get an option of include and don't include. So I'll simply click on include, and then we can now search for an option of our profile here. And after clicking on it, we will write our problem here. So I'm writing my problem of I am having the problem of my with not being able to send a friend request to my Facebook account. So after writing this problem, you can simply send it, and you will be able to fix your problem. But you have to make sure you will be able to fix your problem within like 2 to 3 days. But make sure you don't send this option to help and support between like weekends, because as per I have seen, I have reported problem, it won't get fixed during the weekends like Saturday and Sunday. Make sure you send it after the weekend, or very before the weekend, 3-4 days before the weekend.